Very good. Très bon. Chante si bien. Bravo. Oh boy. Les poules nous donnent les œufs. Les poules nous donnent les œufs. Oh, qu'ils sont gentils, les poules nous donnent les œufs.
The birds come.
The birds catch the worms? Who told you that one?
Pig says a oink. A pig says a oink. Oh, the pig says a oink.
Les cochons nous donnent sport, les cochons nous donnent sport. Oh, qu'ils sont gentils, les cochons nous donnent sport.
Let's get off. It's ready.
Oh.
Ready.
Oh, you put it in the oven?
Yeah. I put it in the oven.
Oh my.
Not ready yet.
Not ready yet? Okay. Can I have some when it's ready?
Sure.
Thank you. Oh.
That's better. That's better. That's the oven.
What's going on with your little house? Did you... Oh, that must have been Jason that moved it. Yeah.
Yeah, it's my house.
Mhm.
I'm going home.
You're going home?
No. I'm not going home. I'm just cutting the grass.
Okay. You gonna cut the grass? Hey, Aowen. I love you.
Now, where's the water? Ah.
No.
I want it.
That's not a toy.
It's mine.
No, it's not yours.
It's mine.
No, it is not yours, and if I can't leave it outside, I'll take it inside.
It's mine.
Aowen, I don't want you to touch that.
No.
You could drop it and hurt your feet.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Okay, I have to go inside now. I'm not feeling well. Do I need to take that with me?
Mom, I need this.